Living in a vibrant Gainesville neighborhood offers many benefits: proximity to shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions, but it can also mean dealing with constant background noise from traffic, construction, and community events. For homeowners who value peace and quiet, noise-reducing windows are an investment that can dramatically improve quality of life. Why noise-reducing windows matter? Noise pollution isn't just an annoyance. It can impact sleep, concentration, and overall well-being. Studies have shown that prolonged exposure to high noise levels can increase stress and even contribute to health issues. Noise-reducing windows are designed to minimize outside sounds, creating a calm indoor environment even in bustling neighborhoods. How noise-reducing windows work. These specialized windows use advanced soundproofing technologies to reduce the amount of noise that penetrates your home. Laminated glass. 2 layers of glass bonded with a special interlayer help absorb and dampen sound waves. Double or triple glazing. Multiple panes of glass create extra barriers that sound must travel through, significantly reducing noise transfer. Insulated frames. High-quality vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames block more sound than standard aluminum frames. Tight seals. Precision installation and weather stripping prevent sound leaks through gaps and cracks. Benefits for Gainesville homeowners: peaceful indoor spaces. Whether you work from home, have young children, or simply enjoy quiet evenings, noise-reducing windows can create a serene living environment. Improved energy efficiency. Many noise-reducing windows also feature low E coatings and gas fills that help regulate indoor temperatures. This means you'll enjoy lower utility bills in Gainesville's warm summers and cool winters. Enhanced home value. Buyers often see high-quality, soundproof windows as a premium feature, especially in busy, high-traffic areas. Upgrading can make your property more attractive and potentially increase resale value. Better sleep quality. Reducing nighttime noise from traffic or neighbors can help you sleep more deeply, improving health and productivity. Choosing the right noise-reducing windows. When selecting windows for your Gainesville home, consider STC rating, sound transmission class. The higher the STC rating, the better the window blocks sound. Glass type. Laminated and thicker glass options offer greater sound reduction. Frame material. Fiberglass and vinyl are better insulators than aluminum. Professional installation. Even the best window won't work properly if it's not installed correctly. Professional installation makes the difference. For the best results, partner with a local Gainesville window specialist. They'll recommend the right products for your neighborhood's noise level, ensure a perfect fit, and maintain the manufacturer's warranty. Improper installation can leave small gaps that allow sound to pass through, negating the benefits of your investment. A certified installer will use precision sealing techniques to ensure maximum noise reduction. Final thoughts. Noise-reducing windows are more than just a luxury. They're a smart home improvement for busy Gainesville neighborhoods. From enhancing comfort and privacy to improving energy efficiency and property value, these windows can transform the way you experience your home. If you're tired of unwanted noise disrupting your daily life, consider upgrading to high-quality, soundproof windows. With the right products and professional installation, you can enjoy the best of Gainesville's lively community without sacrificing your peace and quiet.